Hi, welcome to Create. I'm Mark. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create French toast. Today we're going to be using a brioche bread. It's from France, but you can use French bread or you can use the brioche. The brioche tends to have a little bit more buttery texture to it, so I think you'll enjoy that. So that's what we're using today. We're going to be using 6 cage-free eggs. They're brown. We're going to be using 2 cups of milk. I've only got one showing here. We're going to be using a tri-medley of berries. We have raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries here. We have a stick of butter. Costs for a half cup of butter. For the extracts, we're going to be using vanilla extract, a teaspoon. We're going to be using maple extract, a teaspoon of that as well. We're going to be using a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and don't forget a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and create this. Let's go.